from the Rock and Roll Diner in Jeff's truck. Tonight we're going to have last night's leftovers, some hamburgers from my sister grilled, and we're going to make a little hot dish. So I will make the steak tomorrow, I promise. Remember, friends, when you're cooking in your truck, always be careful. Don't leave it unattended. Make sure your truck's running so that you don't wear your batteries out. And know where your fire extinguisher is. Make sure you keep an eye on it. We have combined last night's leftovers with some leftover hamburger, some whole milk with American processed cheese. We'll let that all mellow together slowly. Don't drop your freaking phone on it. LOL. Stirring it and keeping it on low heat. You want to get rid of the liquid, but you don't want to burn. And you want it to be nice and cheesy and creamy. Now see how it's looking like lava? Bubble, bubble, bubble? That's what we like, baby. Yesterday's leftovers becomes tonight's dinner. Come see me tomorrow. We're making steak. Woo!